All right, we made it back to the house. Get a nice little juice down at this place called Drift. And chill out for about an hour, and then we're going horseback riding. Should be pretty cool. Really nice outdoor shower that we hopped in. Hop in this fool for a minute, watch a couple fights, smoke something, and then go ride these horses. I'm Andy. Am I riding with you today?
What's your name?
Yeah, I'm Andy. Andrew.
Oscar.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Cool.
Hola.
Hi.
Hola.
I hope you're enjoying this movie that I put together for Costa Rica. If you want to see all the other movies I put together on our trip that's hours long, please check out my social media at Andre Got Bars, and you'll find all my links there. All right, guys, we just got done with our horseback riding experience. I love riding horses. Super fun, super relaxing. I like connecting with animals like that. It's just very peaceful and recharging. So we're about to watch the sunset here. We're heading back up the hill. We're gonna get a little bit of food, have a nice dinner tonight, and that will complete day 2. I'm gonna rip past them, right? He's camera shy. All right, we're checking out of this badass Airbnb and heading to Montazuma. Throwing the bags and everything in a taxi, putting her in a taxi, and I'm gonna rip the ATV right behind him. So we'll be there in about 30 minutes. All right, we just got to our new villa up in Montazuma. We had a couple fun days in Santa Teresa. Had a little spill on that ATV, got scratched up, but we're at the new spot. Locked in, we got a little gym at one of the villas behind us. And we are right on the edge of paradise, man. This is so beautiful. Such a relaxing, magical spot. We're just gonna chill here and rest, but look at this view. That is what I call another day in paradise. Gonna chill out here for 3 days, go back to that badass spot in Santa Teresa. Just got notice I might have a fight December 14th. Been out here being pretty active, eating pretty good, but I'm putting in a hard little training session right now. We're gonna do some hill sprints up this hill 10 times. I'm gonna do 15 minutes of explosive work with 1 minute rest, 1 minute on. Do a little calisthenics, some handstands, and I'm hopping in the pool. All right, somebody woke up. Those scratches are healing up pretty well.
We're
We're good. We're good. We out here. This spot in Montazuma is unreal though. We got the ocean behind us, big old infinity pool. The whole property and villa is a vibe. So I'm excited we got this spot. We're here for a couple days. That's a pretty sweet view, huh?
Yeah, really.
All right, y'all, day one in Montazuma. We're all settled in. We had a nice little dip in the pool, hung out for a while, and now we're gonna go get a really nice dinner. Dinner is served. We got a pineapple covered chicken, carbonara spaghetti, and a grilled fish fillet covered in garlic. Smack down. All right, we just had a really good dinner. That was delicious. We had a fish fillet, spaghetti, grilled chicken on pineapples, ceviche. We ate good. We had 3 entrees and an appetizer. It's like $60. Got to sit right on the water too. It's pretty awesome. Pretty beautiful view. We're just enjoying one more smoke down at the water, and then we're gonna head up the hill. Call it a night. First day, first night of Montazuma complete.